We have a salt and pepper grinder shaker. Comes in a number of colors. You could put different spices in here, and we're only going to demonstrate with salt right now. You get 2 USB charging cables, 2 brushes, and you get a cover and the gears that come out, the parts that come out of the bottom, that has a light so you can show where it's shining on. You're not going to see it right now. And you have a charging light indicator by my index finger over here. The light's up white, and there is the light underneath, as you can see right there. It has a cover that you can unlock. It's a little hard at first, but once you get it unlocked, it will come out. There it is. And you're going to add your salt in after you put all your gears in case you ever need to come in here and clean things out if they ever get stuck and whatnot. Stickers are peelable, they come off. And this is how easy it is to put everything back on. You have here is a washer. It goes on first. You have a spring that goes on second. You have a square washer that goes on third. You have here is the grinding wheel that goes on next. And then you have this little black square washer that goes on. And then you have the cup that goes on the thumb bolt. And you're going to simply do your best to tighten it down. It's going to spring out, so please be a little careful. Once it goes on, you're going to feel clicking, and each click is going to be your coarse to fine in the grinding, and it's going to spin the opposite way when you are 100% ready to grind salt, as you can see. So we're going to add our salt in, pepper, whatnot. It fills up. Put the cap back on. There's an arrow on it. Over here there's a lock and unlock mechanism. And then to simply grind, there it is. It is that simple to use. You have salt, you have pepper, whatever flavors you want to put in. You have a cap, so in case you accidentally hit the button, it covers like so. Always remember, some salt will come out, as you can see right here, just a little bit because of the leftover. I hope you enjoy your product, if this product is right for you, of a salt grinder. Periodically you come with the brush and you clean this particular area, and you allow this to charge for a number of hours, and it's very easy to place on the table, grab it and use it. I hope you enjoy your salt and pepper grinder shaker.